Here's how to erase all content in Settings to reset your Mac. Before you start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. You'll need your Apple ID and password to sign out of Apple services and Find My if needed. This feature is only available on macOS Ventura or later, and with Mac computers with Apple Silicon. First, click the Apple menu in the upper left corner of your screen. Click System Settings, click General from the System Settings sidebar, and then click Transfer or Reset on the right. Next, click Erase All Content in Settings, and enter the administrator password you used to log into your Mac. Now, click Unlock, and the Erase Assistant will open with a summary of your settings, media, data, and other items that will be erased. To begin the process of erasing your data, click Continue and follow the prompts in the Erase Assistant, which includes signing out of Apple services and Find My using your Apple ID and password. When you've completed the steps, your Mac will restart and a progress bar will appear. This will erase all your content, settings, and data, and might take some time. If you're selling, giving away, or trading in your Mac, you can end the process here. Just press and hold the power button on your Mac until it turns off. Or, if you're keeping your Mac, you might be prompted to reconnect your Bluetooth accessories, like an external keyboard or mouse, and sign into a Wi-Fi network to activate your Mac. Click the Wi-Fi icon in the menu bar in the upper right corner of your screen and select your Wi-Fi network. Next, enter your Wi-Fi password and click Join. Your Mac will activate and then restart after a countdown. Or, to proceed right away, you can click Restart. After your Mac starts up, it's fully restored to factory settings and ready to be set up again. It's that simple. Hope this video helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe.